This for you, Jamal. You doubted us. Fucking spitting, bruh. Yeah. Oh, that's about the car with all my stunners. You don't wanna play? Have you run and tell your mama? Huh? Pretty girl swear that's what we been had. Me, Monet, Nisha, in the ass all day. You don't wanna play? We pull out our choppers. Run up and get hit. Nah, don't try to stop us. Nah, I'm just playing. We ain't messing with them guns. Smart girls over here. Nah, y'all boys ain't getting none. Got the game over play. Y'all boys don't wanna see it. Pass you to my dog Monet. Now she gon' let you get it. Ah, yeah, yeah. Oh, we ain't playing. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Get open. Been going. Alright. Sitting here with my dog Chantel. We was bored, so we just had to tell you hoes, we always been stuntin'. Step to us, we gon' bump that's nothing. Heard there was beef, man, kill that shit. We on that man pass the lit. Let me hit. Nah, I'm playing. No smoking over here. Pass to my dog Isha, man. She never cared. Fucked around, stop talking, bruh. What y'all thought? Had to get shit together. Had to talk it out. Now we sitting here rapping to y'all flodgers. Too much, run y'all there, go get y'all chargers. Getting tired of lecturing y'all hopes. Oh, man, I'm parched, let's go to the store. Yeah, yeah, go. Oh, yeah, going in on y'all hoes. Oh, 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 oh. Spitting, yeah, yeah, yeah.